I want us to clap.
To sing.
Yeah. That will work too. Yeah, that's fine. So we're just out riding today, basically trying to see if we can get some good content. Obviously, due to the time of year, people going on holiday, moving around and stuff for Christmas and New Year's, it's going to be a bit difficult trying to get some content for the channel, because we're not guaranteed to be riding all that much. So we asked if you guys bear with us a little bit, especially for maybe the next week or so, maybe 2 weeks. For if we don't post a video until next year, 2021, from Red and I, we honestly wish you guys the happiest of New Year's and a Merry Christmas. This actually might come out after Christmas, but I hope you guys had a Merry Christmas and a wonderful New Year. You're a shit. Let's see. Hey, buddy. That's some sick dudes. So those guys that we, well, I think he greeted as well, the guys that we greeted on the back of the bucky are normally the guys in South Africa that will stare through your soul at a robot if you're behind them in a car or on a bike. And I basically just wanted to get a fist bump to see if they're real. Panic, I'm panicking, I'm panicking, I'm panicking, I'm panicking, I'm panicking, I'm panicking, I'm panicking. I think they're racing who's the slowest. And currently this guy's winning. Damn, dude. You slow. What's up, bud?
was hot. That exhaust fumes. Oh man. Are we being followed? There's a bike there.
Yeah. He doesn't even say hi or anything. I'm gonna go pull up right next to him. Let's be friends. Hello. Okay, I'm just gonna back this up. Just ignore him.
I can see the chuckle running through your body.
Oh no. My friend. My friend. Oh, that was so awkward. Oh my god. Oh no, I didn't expect him to look at me like that. The amount of disgust. Ew, what is that?
He just stared at you, man. It's even funnier because I know exactly what he's thinking. He came in with such enthusiasm and excitement. The guy just looked at him.
Grima. No. Oh, monsters are cheap here. Holy shit.
Oh, we're on the move.
Look at this donor.
Hey. That was red, dude. Thanks, man. What are you doing? Why are you braking?
Oh, you. What was that, dude?
Why are you braking?
There's a lot of dumb drivers out here today.
What are you doing?